Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Maraki. Today I have a clothing haul for you all. I have a few lifestyle and clothing hauls coming up on this channel for you guys. But today let's check out what all I got from the Central. So I have quite a few tops, a jeans and a dress which I would like to share with you all. These are from different brands. All of these I have brought very recently, so you can definitely pick them up at your nearest Central or you can order them online. I'm sure they will be available now. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon.
So I'll be taking out the clothes from the bag one by one and I'll also try them out and show you guys. So the first piece of clothing is this jeans right here. So it is pretty plain, but it has this slit near the knee on both the sides. It's by the brand Hey and in the size 32. The cost of this is 12.99 rupees. So this is how the pair of jeans look like. They fit me perfectly. They are pretty classy because they have a very basic dark denim color and they are kind of mid-waist. They are not high-waist, they come up till here, and neither they are too low-waist, and they do not look too trendy, but when you bend your legs you can see this slit, and this definitely adds an edge to your look and it looks very stylish with this particular slit. So I really like this one. It's there on both the sides and the length is also perfect for me. It's neither too long so that I have to fold it up, and neither it is short like ankle length. It's a perfect size for my height, which is 5'6.5", and this is something that I feel I can wear to even formal occasions, being a little bit stylish. And this is something that you can wear to dinners, outings, shopping, basically everywhere. So I love this jeans. Next I have this beautiful red checks t-shirt. So this is by the brand Rig and this is worth 1199 rupees. So this is how the top looks like. I love the cold shoulder here, and the hands are also a little different. They have a little bit of frill. So if you have flappy hands or hands with a lot of fat here, you can definitely choose something like this. And it's a very light cotton t-shirt, perfect for the upcoming summers. You can wear it basically everywhere. It's such a casual t-shirt. I love checks because they are so casual and yet they are so classy. You can wear them to your college, office, for shopping, for anywhere casual. These look very nice. I really like this one, and the cold shoulders definitely give it a very stylish edge. Then next I have another piece of clothing from Rig and I love the color of this. It's having a long sleeves. It has that sweater kind of material. The cost of this is 12.99 rupees. So this is how this top looks like. I love the color. It will definitely suit all dark skin tones or dusky skin tone girls. It has full hands. I usually like to pull up my hands like this. It looks very cash and stylish. It's not a very heavy sweater, so you can wear it during start of winters or throughout the year whenever the weather is little chilly or you're going late in the night, so you can wear this. I love the crisscross detailing here. It's really beautiful, looks amazing. I love the pockets. I always like tops and dresses with pockets. I am someone who loves pockets. So this is really nice. Back is plain but it has a hoodie. So if you're someone who loves hoodies, you can accessorize this with maybe a few bracelets or maybe a small top. Don't wear a lot of jewelry with this sweatshirt kind of theme. It does not look so good when you wear something which is like so casual and you wear a lot of jewelry. So just my point of view, even for the checks t-shirt which I showed before this, I would not suggest wearing a lot of necklace or huge earrings. Keep it simple and keep it cash. These are the day-to-day wear kind of t-shirts. Next I have another full sleeves t-shirt like this. So this is from Rig again and the cost is 14.99. That's our next t-shirt. I really like it again. The color is a very dark grey, almost like black color. It has full hands. Again, if you like, you can pull them up or you can leave as it is. I love the work here, the embroidery work. They also have sent these silver color balls, like extras of them if you miss any of these. But I really like the pattern. It's very girly. And again with this, since it has this embroidery pattern, you don't have to wear any necklace. You can wear some simple tops and maybe you can have some bracelets. So that's all the jewelry I would suggest for this kind of top. It is a bit thick kind of material, like a sweatshirt. Not very thick, but definitely something that you can wear during colder months of the year. So again, something that I like. Then this is a beautiful girly t-shirt. I love the embroidery pattern on it, and this is by the brand Mineral in the size large, and the cost of this is 14.99 rupees. This is again cotton material. So this is how this top looks like. It's in a dark bluish grey color. There is a beautiful embroidery pattern here, makes it look very girly, and it has all these frills here. So guys, if you have some extra tummy fat to hide, this is the kind of top you should go for. They're called peplum tops, or anything that has a little bit of frill here, so it completely hides your extra belly fat. It's a very nice cotton material, so you can wear it during summers. And if you think why I have long hands during summers, it's because guys, I do get tanned a lot. I have very sensitive skin, so even during summers I don't mind wearing light cotton full hands so that I can hide my hands if I'm going out during daytime. I prefer such clothing items. As far as the styling goes, you can go crazy with your jewelries with this, because this is a girly top. So you can wear necklaces, you can wear huge dangler earrings, any kind of statement earrings. Don't wear them both together. I mean, keep it simple always. So you can either go for huge earrings or a piece of necklace that comes up to here with a nice pendant, or you can go for bracelets as usual. Rings, you can go for rings for anything, guys. Rings are something that make a statement with any kind of clothing. So I'm someone who loves wearing rings, so I will always say wear rings. So that's how it looks. Super girly and yet super stylish. The last t-shirt we have is this one. It's a nice royal blue in color with little bit of black texture on it. The back side has this pattern from the brand Rig again, and it's pretty affordable. It's just for 7.99 rupees. And this is how the next top looks like. As you can see, it's not very long. It's kind of short, but it's not a crop top. It has full hands again, but very lightweight, so you can pull them up. Cloth feels very lightweight, so you can wear it throughout the year. If you feel cold, you can wear a jacket above it. It's almost like a plain top, so it goes very well with your jackets and sweaters and everything. And if it's a summer day, then you can wear it just as it is. It has a crisscross pattern on the back, which does look very nice and stylish. So that's my last top for the day. Let me get back with the dress. And the last piece of clothing in my bag is this beautiful dress, guys. I really like it. It's by the brand Mineral in the size L. I love the sequence pattern here. It has sheer hands like this, and it has frills over here. You will get a better idea when I wear this, but I really like this. And the back side has like normal t-shirt material, so it's very comfortable to wear as well. And guys, this is how the dress looks like. I really like it. I love the huge frills on the hands. It has sheer hands, and even this glitter part, it's not too glittery. Like, it might seem a little more glittery with the camera and all, but in real life it's kind of subtle because it has all blue sequins in it. So it does look glamorous, but yet not too much if you want to keep it simple and stylish. It has a huge neckline, so you can wear some choker necklaces also. You can wear something long as well. Anything you prefer. You can wear some good statement jewelry pieces. You can wear bracelets. So here again, it's a girly dress. It's a dress actually, so for girls. So you can have your freedom to wear any accessories and accessorize it pretty well. Or if you don't want, you can keep it simple. Just wear small studs and probably call it a day if you're going out just for a dinner or something. It's completely up to you. This is a very versatile dress. You can wear it simply, or you can accessorize this and make it all glammed up and glitzy kind of dress. So let me show you the length. So this is how much the length is. So it's not too long, it just comes above your knee, and it's not too short that will make you uncomfortable if you're not someone who is used to wearing short dresses. I personally love this length because it's comfortable, I don't have to be careful about it, and then it's stylish also. You can wear some ankle length boots or some nice block heel sandals with this. It looks amazing, and this has a flowy design. It's not like body fit, so it does not show your tummy or your belly fat. So again, this is something that is friendly for people who have a little bit of extra weight. I am very happy with this one. This was for around 3000 rupees, but definitely a good deal for a good quality dress like this. And I'm actually loving the frills. That's why I'm taking my hands up so many times. Do let me know in the comment section if you guys love frills like these in your hands. I don't know, I'm someone who loves these. It makes me feel like I'm a bird or a fish, I don't know. So let me know, guys. So that was all that I bought from the clothing section of Central. Do let me know if you like them or not. Like, these are my personal choices, personal preferences in wearing clothes. So do let me know if you have similar choices, and let me know what was your favorite piece of clothing from today's video in the comment section below. Honestly, most of these are kind of good choices for people who are slightly on the heavier side on the weighing scale. Maybe they are just a few kgs more than their ideal weight. If we know how to choose our clothes, we can look and feel good at any size, and as long as you love yourself, nothing else matters. So keep showering love on yourself and on me too. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know if you want to see more such clothing hauls on my channel by giving a like to this video, so that I can know that you want more such videos. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.